Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana in the kitchen, y'all hungry, yeah, talking about what y'all won't eat. You wanna make a bet, home cooked meals, hold on to your seat. It's Nana the Saucy Chef, now let's eat.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making easy baked meatball subs. The ingredients that we're going to need today are pizza sauce, Italian seasoning, garlic powder. I'm using frozen homestyle meatballs. You can use the meatballs of your choice. Hoagie rolls, butter, mozzarella cheese, and pepperoni. Okay guys, you can set your oven to 350 degrees. You can now place your hoagie rolls into a baking dish. I'm using a 9 by 13. I have 25 meatballs. You want to unthaw them first. I'm going to use 5 meatballs per hoagie roll. I have 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. I have my squeezable pizza sauce and also pizza sauce that I can spoon onto our rolls. I have 25 slices of pepperoni. I'll be putting 5 slices on each roll. 1/2 stick of melted butter. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Okay guys, into our melted butter, we're going to add in our garlic powder and also our Italian seasoning. You just want to mix it until it's well combined. Now you can set it to the side. Now we're going to take our pizza sauce and we're just going to spoon some onto it. Okay guys, now you want to take your slices of pepperoni and we're just going to place them on top of our sauce. Next, you're going to take some of your shredded mozzarella cheese and go over top of your pepperoni. Once you're done, you want to start to add your meatballs. Next, you want to take your garlic butter sauce and we're just going to coat on top of our meatballs and on the bread. We're going to put a nice coating over top. Okay guys, make sure you use all of your garlic butter. Guys, I want to apologize because I thought I was recording, but apparently I wasn't. So after you put your garlic butter on top of your meatballs and bread, you want to go ahead and add your pizza sauce onto the top. Then you want to add your leftover mozzarella cheese and also sprinkle it with some Italian seasoning. Then it's ready to go into your 350 degree oven for 20 minutes. Okay guys, after 20 minutes, your baked meatball subs are done. Look how nice they came out. The cheese is nice and melted. And you can hear how crispy the hoagie rolls are. Okay guys, look at this. Don't forget, we added pepperoni also to our meatball subs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?